In this video, I'm reviewing a brand new Gaahleri GHAD-68 trigger style airbrush. Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew. On the bench today is a package that came from Gaahleri Airbrushes as part of a collaboration together with my channel. They've sent me several of their airbrushes from entry level to top of the line so that I can do some unboxing, testings, and reviews and possibly help you make a decision if you're thinking of moving up or getting started in the airbrushing hobby. The first thing that hits me is the wow factor when I look at their packaging. It's a beautiful presentation. This is part of their advanced series. And you can see it's brand new, so let's slice it open. The main box is also striking, with the company logo embossed in some glitz right on the top. Let's see what's in the box. It's a complete kit. The first thing is this exploded view, which I think is most handy if you're brand new at airbrushing and you need to take it apart, which you have to do proper maintenance. That'll identify all the parts for replacements and help you put it back together. Next is a customer card that explains to you if you have any issues at all, you don't even need to return the airbrush. They'll send you a brand new one. Try to beat that. There's a quick start guide in several different languages, how to do airbrushing, how to disassemble and put the airbrush back together in the proper order. So I'm going to keep that close by. Here are the contents in some super packaging. Gaahleri has included some spare O-rings and gaskets. This is the extra needle. It's a 0.5 millimeter, which means the 0.38 is already installed. Small bottle of lube, that's for maintenance when you're doing a super deep cleaning. This is a quick connect piece. Excellent, that's very handy. So I can keep that right on the airbrush for quick changes on my hose. Here is the 0.5 needle and nozzle. Remember, there are two sizes. The 0.38 is for fine detail work and the 0.5 millimeter needle for a little more wide spray. The Gaahleri cups are so nicely finished, and that makes them easier to clean. Also in two different sizes, half and quarter ounce. I prefer the smaller one, and I don't interchange those too much, but you can. All cups fit all models. Here's the airbrush itself. Nice and hefty. Not in a bad way. What may look different for many of you is the pistol grip handle and the trigger, which I prefer over the push-down pull-back button that you're probably more familiar with. If you're new to this style, don't worry, it's still dual action. Cup screws on nicely. Check the trigger action. I'm in my mid-60s and I've got early onset arthritis right in that index finger and knuckle. So this action is much more comfortable for me. The style I have been using, the very cheapest airbrush on Amazon for 5 years now, is this same trigger style. I like it the best. This is just one of the full array of airbrushes that Gaahleri supplies, along with so many other pieces. Let's look at their YouTube channel for their own 60-second promo. I want you to bear in mind that my hobby is restoring and customizing 1:64 scale die-cast cars, so my airbrushing interests and needs are along those lines. Let's give it a real-world test. I use predominantly acrylic paints. In this instance, I've thinned it down a little bit before putting it into my airbrush. And I've switched to the 0.5mm needle to show you the wide spray effect right here. Look at the full coverage you get with that. That's perfect. This is a small Volkswagen T2 bus top. I've taped off the white roof. I'm just doing the window supports right now. I've got about 24 psi set on my air compressor. Here's the body of the same VW bus, also in red to match. It's coming out perfectly. Now, you don't need to use thinner with Vallejo acrylic paints, but I wanted to do one test with and one test without. This is looking perfect. I love the trigger action. I get just as much control with this as with the push down, pull back button, and I'm sure you will too, even if it takes just a little bit of practice. Test number 2, also Vallejo acrylic paint. I'm putting this blue straight into my airbrush. I did a quick cleaning after the red test. Still with a 0.5mm needle, no thinner added. And also going great right out of the bottle into the airbrush. I like that. Okay, how about on the car? It's a 1969 Dodge Charger 500 Hot Wheels. This is what I normally work with. You can see that the GHAD-68 is perfect for this size application. Beautiful, consistent coverage. It's laying down nicely, no spitting or sputtering. I'm loving it. Maybe I'll do another review in 3 or 4 months once this one is well broken in. So why should you get one of these? Here are 4 good reasons with which I agree wholeheartedly. And you don't have to take my word for it. On the Gaahleri website are real product reviews from real customers. And check out the unbeatable price that they're offering right now. You can locate Gaahleri at any of these social media platforms. They're one click away. I want to tip you off on the Black Friday, Cyber Monday super blowout that's happening right now. I don't want you to miss out on those. You can also click on my affiliate link in the video description for 10% off even when there's no sale on. I hope this review has helped you. I really like this airbrush a lot, and I think you will too. Thanks for visiting today. Happy hobbying. It's coffee time.